Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Windows 11 build and permissions so settings changes apply. Open Settings right away, press Windows and I together, or click Start and choose Settings. Once done, go to Personalization, then Taskbar in the left column. This reveals the controls you need. Make sure you're signed in with an admin account when options are missing. You're now at the exact place to change visibility and behavior. Proceed to the specific taskbar toggles in the next step. You'll systematically turn off elements and set hiding behavior. First, under taskbar items, toggle off widgets, search, and task view to remove visible icons. Next, open taskbar behaviors and enable auto hide to hide the bar until you hover. You can also change alignment to left if needed. If options are grayed out, that indicates group policy or registry control. Pause here and check those controls before forcing changes, which I'll explain stepwise if you need to. You finish by applying and verifying the changes. If the taskbar still appears, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, and click Restart to reload the shell. This often enforces new visibility. If anything breaks, revert via Settings or restore the registry backup you made earlier. Make sure to create a system restore point before altering group policy or registry keys so you can undo safely. If problems persist, mention exact symptoms, and I'll guide targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.